Hello everyone, welcome to the Packing Chronicles. Again, I think this is number 7. The reason we're coming to you is we're sitting in our New York hotel room, getting ready to go across the pond to Portugal. Been here for a couple days, been fantastic. Certainly we had all summer to pack, but we still have a lot of stuff.
So the theory was, the concept was a rollerboard each, a backpack each, and then about midway through the summer we realized with the equipment that we're taking and some of our world school materials, we were going to need a bigger case.
Bigger case.
A bigger case.
Need a bigger boat.
We started with a medium shared case.
This one.
It wasn't quite enough. So now we have a big shared case. So the idea was still the rollerboards, so that once we are in some destinations, when we go just for an overnight or a quick journey, we still want to pack in these. And so packing in these wasn't the issue. What was the issue?
Philosophy.
Philosophy.
She just named that. 3 bags, 3 backpacks, and that. Problem.
Opportunity for improvement. Learning.
Opportunity for improvement, glass half full. We are, our bag was 84 pounds.
It's the weight.
The
it's not
combined
like the volume.
bag was 84 pounds.
84 pounds.
And as you guys know, when you travel, that's a lot of zeros. We don't need that on this trip.
Like, we got rid of everything belonging. I mean, you know, we're not going to travel with a lot of belongings. So having a bag that still weighed 84, 85.
84.
85, whatever, too many, wasn't good for
So
us.
as you know, you need to get that down to 50 pounds.
50 pounds.
Do the math, 34 pounds. Got to cut that out.
Yeah.
Wasn't going to happen.
No.
So we decided to go down to 70 because on our next air flight, 70 was the cutoff, right, for the large bag.
Yeah.
So we've been redistributing. We have packing cubes, ladies and gentlemen. Been learning how to use these things. I mean, we have every, talk about travel tips and stuff. We've been trying to figure this whole thing out.
And we'll talk more about I think the packing cubes are amazing, and they actually, that's the thing, the volume of things wasn't really the problem, is the weight, like you just said. So we'll talk more about the packing cubes later too, because I do think they're amazing. But yeah, consolidating and redistributing the weight without a scale, obviously. So we'll see how we did.
Wish us
Later
luck.
today.
We are going to find a scale, but we're going to go around and see some museums before we get on our flight to Portugal. Yay,
Yay.
says Everly.
And you might be wondering why, what was in the 85-pound bag.
Still
so
going back
maybe,
to 85. It's 84.
maybe guess what I'm sorry, 84. Maybe guess what was in there. I mean, I think very practical, but it was, I think, also my type A, let's be prepared for a lot of things mentality.
Ziplocs.
Very organized. So I think part of this journey will also be realizing, like, what do you actually need, and what is the difference between being prepared, over-prepared, hyper-vigilant, versus like just taking exactly what you need.
Hypervigilant's a good word.
Yeah, I wanted to think of like
I
every
might have
scenario.
to
Of
look
course
that
I
up.
can't think of every scenario. So anyway, here's the insight into what it is. We'll keep you updated on how it goes at the airport today, and by the end of this journey, we will be good at packing.
Leopard skin backpack, leopard skin suitcase, leopard skin packing cubes.
All right, we miss all of you already. We'll
Wish
talk
us
to you
luck.
soon.